Alright guys, the day has finally come. Today is the car show, so this is technically the third day of the Rocky Mountain Mustang Roundup. And as you can see, I parked back there. But there's a bunch of people that trailered their stuff that parked in this lot behind the hotel that I stayed in right there. Let's make our way. They got the whole road blocked off, fire department, police and stuff. Let's make our way, check some stuff out.
So we're walking down this.
Not a Mustang, but a beautiful Cougar.
What's that? And some of us just have a thing for Cougars.
And also not a Mustang, but a beautiful pickup.
They're all good. All but not a Mustang.
Everybody's welcome. Ooh, look at this Ranchero. A couple of them.
I did. I still have like, I don't know.
Oh, you're good.
Corey was asking when we were, he said he's going to go to the Rockies and watch Matt for the weekend while they risk all the sites.
Let's do modern. Let's say Halo. So I always turn on the fog lights.
Well, he asked, would you all come to visit tour about
So if it ever gets too much work, I'll probably go ahead and throw the photos in.
Couple 69s down here. Probably my favorite year Mustang. It's all because of Dad. I also really like the 67 fastbacks. But these guys are badass. There's a 70. There's a few 70s. There's that 69 Mach 1 that we've seen at the track. Boss.
And emissions started kicking in 72.
72 was still bearable, but 73 was like
73 and 4 just keep going through. It was fine. It was nice.
This is his son's Mustang.
he is one and this one was taking about the other one. They go ahead and yeah.
64 and a half convertible. This is where it all began. $400 like mine. color. These wheels are sick. That's a nice new edge.
Well, the line's got real short. They sent the Stones over there signing autographs. Or meet her and talk to her about your vehicle or her vehicle. Let's have the star from TV. We got Hot Wheels racing, and you get a Hot Wheels car over in the park. We're also doing face painting and balloon sculptures. We have a photo booth going on at the Century Hotel outside here by the State Patrol. And the award ceremony at 1:30 right in front of the DJ.
Look at the Mustang patrol cars. We got a new one and an old one. Oh, yes.
Next State Patrol's letting you sit in the front seat instead of the back this time. Those guys that sit in the back, sit in the front. What's another today's jet seat day?
This one's nice. I like that flat silver color. Those wheels are the same wheels that I want to buy for the 66 Mustang. That is a pretty car. I think that's a 67. Yep. 1967. See every once in a while, I guess, right? I like these 13, 14s. God, these things are pretty. This one's all blacked out too. They're pretty nice wheels on there.
That's one of my, I got 5 right now. I had 7, I sold 2 of them.
I would have drove them. Yeah, convertible.
around, fill out card for voting.
It's a GT500 with 2010. Pretty car. Holy smokes, I got freaking cars all over the damn place. I'm gonna get my steps in before noon. Cobra. You don't see those very often. That one's clean too.
Sun goes behind the cloud.
Hater pipe. These salines are pretty nice. I like these cars.
Be nice to pick. I'll take your picture.
Ooh, look at this 4i Fox. That's a nice color. There's a 14 GT500.
Maybe it's still
One of these days I'd like to get one of these. And the weapon.
Favorite color was silver. This is from I mean, it was like yes.
Well, oh, let's see. That was the other thing too. That's going to give you permit here.
Oh, you gave me one of those. You got one of those.
I like this blue one. Especially with those wheels on it.
Well, I know longevity of that.
all right. Yeah. Wow, this thing's slammed.
like, that's what.
No, I don't. No. So like 20 years ago.
I go, where is he?
And then they like.
It's a nice tail edge. Terminator. It's a pretty color.
You're live.
Okay, we're live, guys and gals. Do you have a comb over, like me, and you don't want anybody to see it? Well, I have something. I got hats, guys. I got this one. It's green, and it has the little logo thing at the. Okay, next one. I got this black on black one. Look at that. Okay, next one. Jeez, golly. What is this one? Blurple. I like it. It reminds me of grape soda. Caught it. Baby blue. Look at that one. Woo. And monster green. Anyways, oh, I got shirts too. Look at these things. So if you want a hat or you want a shirt because your comb over just ain't doing it, let me know. I also have stickers. This one is from Meranda, which she made the hats and the shirts. And these ones are from, I don't know, some other website. But we don't care about them. We care about these from Meranda. And these shirts and the hat. I don't know where the hats are. But anyways, Five Hearts Company. They're local in, where are they?
Strasburg.
In Strasburg, Colorado. So if you want anything, let me know, and I'll give you a price, and then we'll see if you still want it. And then I'll send it to you if you pay me for it. This is a Calypso green. That's a cool green. I like that. Early fox. Look at this one. That might be 70s even. Pretty sweet wheels on it. I just feel like around those little bolts would be annoying to clean.
Oh man, it just killed us. Now
Here's a nice CT500 KR. Good color on that.
so
It's pretty.
the whole industry is down
Thank you.
Pizza dito sa leader.
extremely illegal, but you know.
across the copy. As long as you're Charlie Brown. Nice to meet you, Charlie. Nice to meet you guys. Hi, guys.
I've only had it for about 4 or 5 years.
A nice GT350. That's a pretty color. Nice headlights on that too. This baby blue one's nice. Robert blue. I see food trucks. I'm gonna get food. I got some lunch from La Castilla and lemonade. So now let's go roam around again.
Being behind, so I thought I'd maybe later unwind. Take my foot off the gas and land alive. That was all brought to losses.
Not a Mustang, but it's a sick looking car. I think it might be a Hudson Hornet. I'm probably lying to you. Let's see if we can figure it out. It is a Hudson. Look at this car. This car is sick. All right, add one of those to my list of things I want. There's looking down the street. It goes further than you can see. All right, I walked all the way around. That's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And next year, look for the 2027 Rocky Mountain Mustang Roundup. Okay, love you. Bye.
Tyler loves you too.